What's up guys, in this video let's go ahead and check out another play to earn game, and the name of the project is Tap Fantasy. And let's go ahead and check out their website and see what are the things that I feel you guys need to know, and I'll show you the actual gameplay of this project. So I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Okay guys, so this is Tap Fantasy's landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. Let's go ahead and check out their website real quick, and then let's check out the gift book and see what are the information that I feel you guys need to know about this one. And then the exciting part guys, I'll show you the actual gameplay of this one. All right, so Tap Fantasy Metaverse, you have Tap for Gold, let's mine together. And you can click on Play Now there. They have App Store there for Apple, and it's also available for Android, which is the Google one. And they have Facebook gaming already here. That's very interesting. All right, so about Tap Fantasy, let's go ahead and click on this one. I feel like this is like an anime type of game or lore. Nice characters. Huh, yeah. Tap Fantasy. Let's forward a little bit here. Nice animation for this trailer. Okay, so if you want to watch the entire anime or entire video, you can go ahead and go to their website. It's gonna be in the description of the video, and then just click on this one, the About Tap Fantasy. When you click on that one, it will show you the trailer. So NFT lands, establish a city in the Tap Fantasy Metaverse. So you have different lands here. So it's like you could travel or journey over to those lands here. And then they have the social system. Create your own NFT avatars and wallpapers. Trade and earn from your avatar and wallpaper designs. Socialize and interact with our community. They already have their marketplace in here. Let's go ahead and check that real quick here. Okay, load it up. And it will show you how much the NFTs are for sale. So you could actually rent if you feel like just renting for the first time. Like when you want to try this one out, you could probably, do rent first instead of buying it directly. But if there's not too much of a difference in terms of like buying and then renting, then you could possibly consider buying it. So you have earth, water, fire, and wind. So those are the elements. You have the price here. You could sort that out from there. And then you have the mystery box. I'm not sure if still available. It's sold out, but some are still on sale. So if you want to test your luck, guys, go ahead and click on the mystery box, and you'll be able to purchase, the super rares and the lucky magic crystal. So this one, the goddess mystery box, is already sold out. So this one is still available, so you can buy it for 38 BUSD for this one. They've already sold 4,169. This one has 621. Nice. So roadmap for this project, guys, you have the pre-sale of the NFT skins. This is for Q4 of 2021, which is last year. Now, Genesis season launched on BSC. You have NFT rent and token governance for 2022 Q1. Okay, official version on multi-chain. Q2 of 2022, they already have the cross-chain and field PvP system launch. They have multi-chain development, arena system, and guild battle system launch. For the Q3 of 2022, guys, they have land construction system and third-party game developers launch. For the 2024, which is still, we are on the last leg of 2022, they have the Tap Ecological Foundation. So those are the roadmap, okay? And guys, this is actually, again, if they have like partners, VCs, and all those good stuff, that helps, boost the credibility of the project, simply because those VCs or those partners also does their own research and requires a lot of documents from projects, right, for them to be able to be approved on the amount of money that the partners are going to be pledging. So they have all their socials here, guys. I would strongly suggest that you do your own research and follow or subscribe or join their socials. That way, you could have a good feel of like the temper of the community, like as well as the announcements and raffle giveaways, the airdrops, and all those good stuff. Those are basically being announced on the social media platforms of every project. So, okay, let me go ahead and actually show you Gitbook, or this is sort of like the white paper of the project. And I'm not gonna be reading through all the things here, but it's gonna be the link to this Gitbook will be available in the description of the video, so you could go ahead and click on that and read through the entire thing if you'd like. And I strongly suggest that you do that. That way you will be, informed, or more informed of what the project is all about and the ins and outs of the project itself. So register your account. This is the registration. Very, very straightforward registration, guys. You just have to put the ID that you'd like and then the password that you'd like for that account. So NFT skins, you have prerequisite of play to earn. They actually have a really nice graphics or images right here. So basics of NFT skins are divided into 4 grades. You have R, SR, SSR, and SP. So SP skins are hidden skins and can only be obtained with a small chance while upgrading the R or SR skin. So the image and the voice of the original skin will be changed after upgrading to an SP skin. So that's nice. I mean, it's pretty much basic. And then how to get the skins: buy directly from the marketplace. And then you also have the mystery box, which is the one I showed you earlier. So NFT refining. Sometimes it's hard to get the desired elemental points. The element type is too scattered and we cannot enter the specified secret land. Plus, it's also very difficult to get SP skin. Entrance to NFT refining. So this is actually, guys, a good burning mechanism for the project. That way, they can avoid inflation. So they are burning other NFTs to like refine other ones. And then NFT disenchant probability, and those good stuff. And you have tokenomics. So P2E economic model, token economic model, important information, register your account, bind wallet tutorial, treasure hunt tutorial. So those are basically, when you click on that, it will take you directly to the tutorial itself. Okay, future plans. So upload your own games. You have mini fishing games as well. So those are part of the plans already to expand the game, like game modes, because again, that helps the games to be sustainable. Like it helps also to spark the excitement or maintain the excitement of the players or the community that's playing the game. So, and then NFT city. So establish a city in Tap Fantasy, NFT land, Maid Cafe. Welcome back, my master. Fitness center. Okay, so those are the good stuff. Okay, all right. So those are, I think, the ones that I feel you guys need to know. But again, do your own research. Head on over to this Gitbook and read through this on your spare time. Now let's go back to, or let's head on to the gameplay itself. So you have like hexagons in here, and if you click and hold wherever you want the character to go to, it will head on to that direction. And you could also, single click each one of them. And then if you click on this one, it will ask you if you would like to challenge it. This is basically your energy. So we still have enough energy to challenge this one. Let's go ahead and challenge. And this is like the rewards that you could get out of challenging this like monster or whatever they call it. Okay, so these are actually pretty weak monsters, so there's not gonna be any problems in terms of defeating the monsters themselves. So you have like gems dropping there. And we're almost done. Looks like this one's the mini boss or so. And there you have it. So it's opening the chest, and you got these things right here. Okay, so that is the stage, and it will give you like the summary of what you got. Gameplay is very easy to understand. Let's go ahead and click on this one, see what we could get out of that. I was freaked out when a stranger showed up. How would a cat speak? Let's see. I'm an adventurer. Okay, so there's a lot of conversation. You guys could just all right, so we got another one. Look at that. Meow. The HP, attack, crit, dodge, confirm. So when you click on the card, all right, man, you could like equip the ones that you get from the battles. So NFT skin, you have skills, you have stats. Let's go back and let's go back once more. So let's do another battle with this deal. Last battle for this one. So if you click on start, you already have two characters already helping one another to defeat the monsters faster and easier. Look at that. There you go. That's quick. There's two already. All right. Good stuff. Nice. There will be an airdrop for Tap Fantasy, guys, for all those people that will comment in the comment section below. Put your user ID. That way they could go ahead and do the airdrop on your usernames. All right, guys, so that is Tap Fantasy. You can go ahead and check out the links when you do your own research. Go ahead and check out the links in the description of the video. That way you could avoid any phishing sites. And if you're new to the channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos, anything and everything about crypto. That's it for me. I'm out. Peace.